the dragon is power. Once they were our equals. Today, humans control the dragon. To race, compete, and fight at nearly 200 miles per hour. Now, dragons are once again ready to be released. And a powerful dragon of legend will choose a young hero to save the planet. A dragon booster.
Release the dragon!
The gold dragon is the only thing that can stop me.
I want that dragon!
Control that dragon, and you control the world.
Release the dragon!
Life begins after school. That's when we bend all the rules. Time to hang with all my friends. We like to be together in a place where we belong. I'm 16, starting to find my way. Got a new job, gonna start at the mall today. Thank God I'm on my own for the first time. I'm 16, life is sweet when you're growing up so fast. You gotta make the good times last. I'm 16. Gotta make the good times last.
There's a place we can go today, and it's a place where we all can play. Friendly faces, lots of fun, you see. And I know it's there for you and me. It's a colorful world we live in. There's a rainbow of faces everywhere, and everyone is beautiful for who they are inside. It's a wonderful, colorful world. It's a colorful world we live in. There's a rainbow of good times we can share, and every day is beautiful. Just look around and see. It's a wonderful, colorful world.
Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world.